G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Now it is launch day, of course, for April Masterclass. No tricks today on April the 1st. We are going to be making a beautiful Mama Hare, and she has also, I've designed for you all a gorgeous baby pram, a baby carriage for her two babies to be in. We've got so many fun little details this month. This is probably my most favourite kind of project. I like adding all sorts of details and accessories, and I really like the size of this project. This one is a big winner for anybody who's creating to sell and to pass on to collectors, because it's very impressive. But really straightforward to put together. So Mama Hare I have created many years ago, so this is a recreation and certainly changed things up a little. So I hope you're excited to see her, and let's take a closer look. So let me show you Mama Hare with her beautiful twins. Let's walk through this gorgeous collectible piece, which is made up of multiple things. You certainly are going to get a whole lot of work to do this month, and part of that is this beautiful pram, gorgeous felt baby carriage, and it's actually put together really simply, but I think you're going to enjoy it. I'm also sharing this one with all of my Pay It Forward people, so the pram will be available for you for this month's project. She comes fully dressed, so we do that as we go along. It's all part of how we put her together. I do teach you how to make some beautiful breadsticks. Let's have a look at those. We've got some gorgeous felt breadsticks. She's been to market, you see. She's been very busy. The twins are behaving very well in the pram at the moment. So we've got some lovely felt breadsticks to make. We've got that gorgeous shopping bag over her shoulder, which will work with many of your other projects too. The pram itself is just adorable. So if you peek in there, you can see two beautiful little babies all tucked in under the bedclothes there in the pram. Let's have a closer look at that pram. Just beautiful with those jointed wheels. We've got some embroidery, lots of detailing, a whole lot of fun for you interpreting this your way, and certainly everybody on Pay It Forward, you're going to have a whole lot of fun with this project. Let me pull out the babies, sleeping peacefully there. So we've got two little baby hares, absolutely adorable and really quite simple to make. I walk you through every step in Masterclass. We've got a little pillow in there, in that pram, and it's just the most delightful collectible set. If you're going to on-sell this one, this is one that collectors will absolutely love. They love all sorts of accessories and bits and pieces. With my original Mama Hare, I also made a little basket full of goodies. There's some sculpted carrots, there's some potatoes in that bag as well. So there's so many options for you with this one to be just super creative. And Mama Hare herself is designed to be made up in either mini bear plush or felt. So not expensive materials this time, and felt of course for the pram and your quilting fabrics to use to make up her costuming, and of course you can add anything else you like. But there is just so much to learn in this one. She is a stump doll, so that means she has a solid base, so you don't have any worries with any really fiddly bits with feet, and we need her to stand nice and solid. And of course she is designed to perfectly fit that lovely pram. So I am expecting big things from this project. I could name those people who I know will be very excited about this one, who love making all those little accessories, and I'm really, really excited to see what comes from this project. So what do you all think? I hope you're very excited about making this one. I think that Patricia S is going to be excited about this one. I know you all now, and I know the types of things that you like individually. I feel like Patricia's going to have a whole lot of fun with this one, as I'm sure a whole lot of you are as well. Now, when I did put up that notice, that sneaky peek, somebody did guess correctly that it was a hare, and it was Rhonda Jenner. So Rhonda, you are my giveaway winner this month. So can you please private message me with your postal address and your email address, and I will send your giveaway gift out to you, which I do love to do. Thank you for joining in. And I have to say, Mr. T and I were laughing our heads off, and even Memphis, my daughter, at some of your guesses. Some of you were guessing way out in the creative stratosphere there. Things with scooters and all sorts. So now you've got me thinking. It was a whole lot of fun, and thank you all for joining in and being a part of that. And I do appreciate, we're starting to see on our Pay It Forward page that if you haven't joined, come along and join. I'm starting to see some beautiful little guacamoles. So thank you so much for welcoming my first Lisa Pay exclusive. And you're doing beautiful things with him. And I have to say, some of you are just making him up as just a gorgeous bear, and he is translating beautifully. And that is due to you and your creative originality coming in, and I love it. Thank you so much. And if you are interested in any extra patterns, come along to my Etsy page and you'll find all sorts of bits and pieces there. We are starting slowly to load Masterclass projects as single projects, so you can purchase the entire workshop, including the tutorials and the pattern, of course, and purchase it just as one. I do understand that a lot of people don't like subscribing to things. I don't myself. So, and I'm not entirely thrilled with Patreon. We do try, it's the only host platform at the moment that works for what we're doing. It does have its issues, but certainly nothing we can't straighten out. On the whole, it all goes along fine. If you have any masterclass issues or you have any technical problems, please ask those questions on Patreon or message me privately on Instagram. And that's how you'll get our attention very quickly. And let's leave the Facebook page for joy. We just want that Facebook page full of joy and sharing and happy things. So if you've got grievances or you've just got things you particularly need to know, ask me personally via Instagram. That is the best way. Or just message me and have a chat. I do love that too. And I talk to you so many of there. So I'm putting all of those links down below. So if Little Mama Hare has encouraged you to join Masterclass, that link to join Masterclass will be down below. Do remember that if you join Masterclass, you don't just get this month's project. You get every project, every workshop that's come before, and a whole lot of extra free ones in there too. So remember that, you're not just signing up for one. But if you do want to just purchase one on its own, we're certainly in the process of doing that for you. Or Mr. T's been very busy. I do want to say thank you for your patience. We've been trying to work out ways to stop my projects and work being copied, but you know what? That's my worry, not yours. Please just continue to enjoy what I'm giving you and leave all of that stuff to me. I appreciate your concern, but I think I just have to run faster, design better. And those people who copy and are greedy, I guess they'll get their own in the end. So I have no issue with that. I just don't like to think that people are being made to pay for something that I give away for free. That's what gives me pain. So, but thank you all for your support. I really love the fact that we've banded together like that. So everybody, look, have a fantastic creative week. Everybody check out Pay It Forward right here. You have that beautiful baby pram there up and ready to go, and I want to see all sorts of colours and exciting things come from there. Have a fantastic creative week, everybody. Keep on paying all of those good things forward, and until next time, it is hooroo from me.